So today we're going on some adventures, and yeah, so we're going to go to the supermarket right now and then see what we get. We're going fully prepared, and so this is Davie and this is Casey. They're a couple. They're taken. So yeah, let's go to the supermarket. And this is the outfit. I was feeling really bright today, so. And this is Kanisa, sexy Kanisa. So we're just waiting. Here we go. So we're here now and we're heading to Violence Falls? Adelphi Falls. So yeah, so we're just changing up. Well, I'm not changing, but they're changing up a bit. Okay. So give us a little intro. Where are we there?
That's Adelphi, but that area, that region, they call it Gangadi.
Gangadi?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the falls we're going to is Adelphi Falls.
Adelphi Falls. Can't cross the river.
Let me look fast, Tony. Because
You can just stay here and then.
I didn't really plan to cross it.
So where the fall is? And now where the fall is.
The falls way up the river.
Eh? What?
Falls way up the river. Itu kawan lah. Kau boy, kau.
You want me to do that shaking?
Yeah. Tutup angka botol, tak bersih.
Without insurance? That's how I don't reflect.
Original thing that we grew up with, you know?
So them crispy. In the packet. So here, look how the fries pull up on that.
First time I see hollow fries.
Yeah, that's what you
Well, I mean, I look here, see fries and things just kind of hollow too, but...
Yeah, driving slow now. They bother about that driving slow. They go pretty slow driving.
Look monks and catching right in. That monks and catching right in. And we must pass mountain. We must pass mountain which is right on the ground there.
We must pass mountain to go to Kubla. And mountain is right behind.
And to go monks and catching you have to pass mountain too.
Yeah.
So right there, mountain is right on the ground. This piece of mountain you see in there, that is monks and catching.
Wow, and the good breeze blowing the clouds, you know. I saw we reach, I said thank God, you know. No man, I want to hear it.
I took a video.
I don't know how far we have to go again. We're in which springs are we going to?
What's the spring name?
Byland surface.
Byland Surface Spring. The road is really long, you know. I don't know.
Forever driving.
Like this is almost going like an 10-20 minutes.
We switched seats and everything. It's terrible.
And the road, jump up, jump up.
Bumpy.
Boy, you know, Grenada rolling so hot up, you know.
Madam waitress. And everything. And a lot.
I don't find I've seen more.
And a lot.
Quincy,
You don't have much logo.
No, not logo planting.
Nah, one planting apple.
Oh, well, I give ready too much. And everything I say, right? What time
That's one thing. No, girl, put full of that.
Okay. So, brother, you mean take it out in insurance? Because, and you saying you don't eat for 2 days? Okay, I see blogger now.
Madam Chef in the kitchen.
In the kitchen in the wilderness.
Yeah, go until everybody get food for get juice.
Balcony now? And I don't see him blogger is more big.
That's all.
I think I see some
only
in the
put it
background.
from you don't have video. I only had jumper. Yeah, that's it.
Right, so we on the way to Claboney? Claboney. Yes, granted are the French names. Right? Thing 1, thing 2, thing 3, thing 4, and thing 5. We out here live. Fig and saltfish, you know. Gone down in the belly already. I forget that girl Davie. Hey.
Love of my life.
What a fella! When they say food, he force run for food. And he hide in his face. What's the one with the white jersey? You good? Say hi. You good on YouTube, eh? You know that? You let the whole world see a sucking finger, boy.
I say you choose still.
Huh?
Hey, kiwi.
Nah, leave it there. You never know what happen. Yes, boy. Show YouTube you's a big boy. Give me a bunks. Give me a bunks. Show YouTube you's a big boy. Eh? You no finger. Right, there we go. We walk in, there we go.
Oh, come in there.
And it's-
I don't tired, but
so how is the little island tour so far?
it's going good. Yeah.
Just in St. Andrews.
Yeah, it's a long drive in, to be honest.
Terrible, eh?
I won't say terrible, you know. You will get some.
It better than Monlong. It was than Monlong.
I find it longer than Monlong.
I'm telling them,
being because the road is not as smooth and it's just got.
Right,
some
which makes it longer. Okay.
You see, if the road was as smooth as Monlong, then you drive through quick.
So come here, where we go? And beach? I'm concerned.
People and them. I'm the only clean one here. Huh?
They just see you.
Don't worry. You don't need to see the cameraman. So, Isaiah, what is an active volcano?
I never went to school.
Kevin and Keon, what is an active volcano? And why is it? Huh?
Daniel, from what you know, go real jump here.
Come, I'm right here. Give me your hand. You okay? I'm calling you.
Shakwan. Shakwan, smile for YouTube.
Hey, boy. Don't take me out. Stand up.
It warm?
I can't go them places you alone.
Shakwan, stop it. Is that cat? I know you miss the kitty and name, but
Just walk. Just walk.
And the shows are cool.
Sorry,
So
just
you go down
relax.
there, you're ending up in the volcano.
So you're watching Isaiah.
So right. So what people do, they use this a lot. They take out a lot of the sulfurs on it. So what they do, they use this, take out the sulfur on it, they pass it on their face.
give us an example as to what they do with it.
Nice day.
I can. So yes, so you pass it on your face, and when it dry, immediately it will not look yellow, but when it dry, it will start to look
It looks
yellow.
disgusting.
Down is,
Yeah,
Down is
you're
algae.
taking that wrong.
Don't take
okay,
back
that
out.
algae.
So put back
Yeah,
down.
put that back.
Up there had the real sulfur.
Up, yeah.
Where the water springing from.
Let me get it first.
Guys, it kind of like, you don't even.
It smells like green warm water.
Not clean the sink for a while. How it looks is like you get that kind of sink water scent. So yeah, but it's good for your skin.
Says who? It's good for your skin, says who? Trust me, the last time I went in River Sally and I put down my face, I wanted to go back like 2 weeks after because my skin was looking really, really good. So.
It looks like Shrek and Fiona.
Unless we go down anymore.
I said, just go right up in the corner.
Yeah, that way I go, but
Scrape it out from on the side.
And we got our face done. Yeah.
This smaller spring hotter.
I don't know. It's my first time being here. But yeah, so doesn't look right, you know. Oh my gosh. Look at my edges. Hold up, hold up. So we're at Claboney. Claboney or Claboney?
Claboney.
Alright, so we're at Claboney's Sulphur Spring. Claboney? But Claboney, that's how it's spelled.
Claboney.
But you don't pronounce, but NY in French is not like pronounced like that way. NY in French is not like that, so. NEY? Oh,
Oh, so y'all thought it was NY? No,
yes.
it's NEY. Y'all
Oh,
not read the sign.
clearly not. Yeah, it don't make sense. Hey guys, so I am ending this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, especially my cute DIY outfit. I made it. Alright, so the sunset is really nice, so just go ahead and enjoy that. And make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. And know that I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the support that you have been giving me. Alright.